Hi guys, welcome to Birmingham Boilerfix. Now I've been asked to have a look at this Worcester-Bosch and I've got H09 on this. Now that's 2 in a week. Now anyway, I never had them for so many years and then I have 2 in a week. But anyway, let's see what's wrong with this one. We're going to diagnose it and we're going to repair it. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. The H09, that technically means there's an interruption between the circuit board and the pump. Either the pump's not working or the circuit board's not sending any power to it. Now because of that, the boiler is overheating. Now wise birdie told me that if you disconnect the 3 wires at the back of the pump should work on a very high rate, providing there's a 240 voltage going to it. Now right now I'm just checking for any voltage going to the pump from the circuit board. Unfortunately, there was no voltage going to it. The only thing I was getting is millivolts and my multimeter is just tripping out. So there must have been a circuit issue in that. So guys, what do you think that's telling me? There's no power going to the pump. So do you think I should change the pump? If you do, right, just write in the comment box below. Pause the film and put in the comment box what I need to do from there. Change the pump, or do you think I should change the circuit board? Guys, if you got a broken down boiler in Birmingham, Solihull or the surrounding area, we repair all your favorite boilers from Baxi, Biasi, Ideal, Worcester-Bosch, Vaillant and many more. We repair domestic and commercial. We also do landlord gas safety certificates and boiler service. We repair Glendale boilers too, tank systems, Y plan and S plan. So if you got a broken down boiler, don't suffer in cold, give us a call. Right guys, I've changed the circuit board on it, I've reset it, and it's all looking good now. Looks like it's working fine. Right guys, circuit board on that had to be changed. Right, thankfully I moved that because I nearly left my screwdriver here, but that's got to be changed. And don't forget my screwdriver, amount of tools I lose. Okay. Right, I put the new circuit board on and it's working fine now. The temperature on that is going to 21 Celsius. Yeah, I'm not getting H09 now. That could have been the pump, but you gotta test it out guys before you change them. Otherwise imagine changing the pump on that and then you figure out no, the circuit board was faulty on it. Okay, hopefully you enjoyed that video. Oh, hot in here. Right guys, sweating, it's so hot in here anyway. Listen, it's all working fine now. If you got a broken down boiler, Birmingham Solihull or surrounding area, give me a call. Till next time, Birmingham Boilerfix. It's all working fine now. Right, it's working fine on hot water too. So if I wanted to reduce the temperature, I could just do it from here anyway. But that's the way it was set before, so I'm gonna leave it as whatever they are happy with. Okay, it's working fine now. Yeah, the burn is 19, no H09. That was the culprit. So sorted. Right guys, that's sorted. The Worcester-Bosch H09. Now, two H09s in 1 week. I haven't had them for like 10 years. I probably did, I don't remember. But anyway, H09. Last time, right, there was 240 going from the circuit board to the pump. So the pump was faulty on that. This time, the circuit board was all over the place. It was just confused. It was giving 450 milliwatts or 120 milliwatts, something like that. So the circuit board is all over the place, and it's stripping my multimeter out as well. So I was a bit suspicious that it might be the pump or might not be the circuit board. But anyway, I found up the Worcester-Bosch technical. Big thumbs up to them. Always helpful. Right, they just talked me through and they go, listen, if you got no voltage going there, just check how much voltage is coming into from the mains. If you got 240 coming in and you're still not getting 240 to your pump, that means your pump is fine, your circuit board is gone. But you never know. You gotta change the circuit board first till we get some power go to the pump. So change the circuit board, all working fine. The pump is working fine. There was no H09. The hot water is working fine and the heating is working fine. So test it, have a good 5 minutes. The radiator is starting to warm up, so I think that's sorted now. If they call me back, I'll have to come back, but the pump is circulating and everything's working fine. So hopefully you've enjoyed that video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time, take care of yourself.